guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today I'm going to create a card with the Christmas in the Forest paper pad. This is part of our paper pad club for this month. It also comes with this paper pad here, an Elegant Christmas, which is a beautiful paper pad. And I created this card using this paper pad. So today I wanted to create something with this paper pad. And the colors are very different from this one, so you'll have two options. And this one is pastel-y and very cute. We've got cute blue snowflakes there. And then look at this very cute pattern with the deer. There's a little tree and a Christmas present. And in this paper pad you get these little cards. So you can cut them out, use them as trading cards, or fronts for your Christmas cards. They have sentiments on there. They're just really cute. And then we've got a solid teal color, and then a nice chevron with all the colors in this paper pad. And then the cute little owl on the tree. We have a little bird on top of presents with a striped background. With that pretty polka dot paper, and then the snowflakes in white with the blue background, and there's that cute little deer and that owl. We've got a pink background with white snowflakes, cute little deer pattern, and our patterns do repeat, so we have 4 of each design in here, and we're going to make a fun card today. So I definitely want to use some of these cutouts. So I'm going to start with that, and let's rip that page out, and then I will cut these out using my trimmer. So I like using this Fiskars trimmer with the wire, so I know exactly where it's going to trim. The wire is right on top, and I'm cutting away all this excess on the ends here. So after I get these all trimmed out, we'll make something really cute. I'm going to cut my first panel down 4 inches. 4 inches by 5 1/4. We'll leave a border around the card. I want to use this cute little pattern with the owl. So let's cut this down to 4 inches. And then we'll have it about, let's see, 1 3/4 tall. And I want to use the snowflakes. And I don't think I'm going to use the polka dots because we already have like a pattern. And I think I want to use the blue snowflakes. And I'm going to, let's see, trim out a shape with one of my dies. Now let's see which card is going to look the best with these patterns. So we could do a cute little owl, since we have the owl background. Or we could do this one. I think either one of those are going to work. Okay, I have all my pieces cut out. Let's start layering this up. So we have our base here. I am using the Barely Art Precision Glue, and I do carry this in the shop, so I have this in the 4 ounce like you see here, which is the original size, and I do have the mini size, the 2 ounce, so if you prefer a smaller bottle. It's available under the section Scrappy Goodness, and then you'll see Barely Art with their own section there. This is my favorite glue so far that I've tried. That tip makes it such a dream to work with. So I'm just going to center this and then give it a good press. Now I cut this out with an edge die from Spellbinders. So what I'm going to do is put this in the bottom. So we have our little chevron peeking out. If you guys haven't entered the monthly challenge, we have one up on the blog. It's a mood board challenge. So if you do have the Paper Pad Club, it'll be really easy for you to join that challenge. You can use any products that you have in your stash. There's a little color palette that you can follow, or just take inspiration from the photos and then link up your card. We're gonna choose a winner at the beginning of next month for a $15 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. It's fun. Head on over to the blog and see what everybody else has posted up there. And then I'm going to put this panel up here with a little bit of that chevron peeking at the top. Kind of looks like there's stripes up there. Angled stripes. We'll have our sneak peeks coming soon. I think that'll be on the 27th this month for the box of the month. We're going to do a hop again on the 1st. And then I cut this out with the wood grain paper. And then I'm going to put this on top. I just love these colors. They're so pretty. We'll center this. Okay, that looks pretty good, so I'll give it a good press. How many of you massage your cards? I'm always doing this because I like it to dry nice and flat. So I'm always massaging my cards. Okay, so we're gonna put this right there. Doesn't that look cute just like that? Sometimes I think we don't even have to add an image. The paper is just so beautiful. So I'm gonna check on both sides, make sure I'm leaving even space on both sides here. Okay, so now for my image, I thought it'd be kind of cute to back it up with another card. So I just cut this out in the paper, slightly bigger, and then I'll just kind of angle it down like that. Maybe put a bow or something over here. I think it'll need a bow. What do you guys think? Can't go wrong with a bow, right? So let me go in my stash and see what kind of bows I can dig up. Okay, so I have this twine, and then I have this felt snowflake. I thought I could put the bow right on top of that. So that will go there. So let's add some foam to the back of these cards so they pop up a little bit. So I'm going to layer these two up. They both have foam tape on them. I want to position this before I put this down so I could add another layer of foam here. Okay, so now it's all one layer. Okay, now I'm gonna see where exactly I want this. And we'll think about where we're gonna put our little bow. Do we want it on this side, like that? Yes, I think we do. So we're gonna add that there. We'll add our snowflake. Now for this kind of things, I do like to use hot glue. So I'm gonna heat up my hot glue gun. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little dab here on the back of my snowflake. Try not to cover up the sentiment too much. And then a little dab in the middle for my bow. and then pull any of the glue strings off. Okay, so that looks pretty cute, but I think we need some enamel dots or some, this calls for confetti. You did get this in your box, and this is matches pretty perfect with this paper. There's little snowflakes in here. I can glue those around the card. These cute little flowers. I can do that as well, or these little mirror pieces. Which are really cute. So let's start adding some glue. Oh, something's hiding under this one. I think there's a little gem under there. My little picker doesn't really want to stick anymore. So there's these pink little gems in there. So I'm going to add that over here. And then on the center of the flower, I'm going to add one of those pink little gems. And then I think I want some enamel dots right here. So this brown color kind of goes. So I can put it down there or up here. Okay, I think that does it for the card. Now I can't add a glitter because, you know, this is a holiday card. So this card needs a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to add some glitter to the Christmas tree. And my bow is going to get into the glitter, but that's okay. There we go. The card needed some glitter. So there is the completed card. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll have all the links to the products down below. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys!